Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Gate.io Exchange app on your Mac in just a few quick steps. First, open Safari from your dock, or by pressing Command plus space, typing Safari, and hitting Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Gate.io, the official Gate Exchange website. Always double-check the domain to avoid phishing sites. Then, click File in the top menu bar and select Add to Dock. You'll see a pop-up. You can rename it if you want, then click Add. The Gate.io icon will now appear in your dock. When you open it, Gate.io runs in its own standalone app-like window, separate from Safari. Even if Safari is closed, Gate.io stays open like a regular Mac application. And that's all you need to do. You've now installed Gate.io on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials.